Hi guys, how are you? Welcome to the Media Mind and Technology by Karamat Ali. Guys, hopefully you are enjoying my technology related videos rather than travel log and vlogs. Guys, today again I have a video for you guys regarding IP based network CCTV camera. So let's move toward video. Let's start learning about IP-based network camera. These cameras share live footage across the internet, so images can be easily accessed from anywhere on the globe. The bandwidth of the video is compressed in order to make the online feed reliable. Archive footage is stored on network video recorder or on secure software for later access. Network-based IP CCTV cameras uses a network or IP CCTV camera is the ideal choice for the users who are often away from site and on the move. Footage can be viewed from anywhere in the world via a PC, laptop, or mobile phone. Benefits of IP-based network CCTV camera. Footage can be viewed online from anywhere in the world. Easily accessible archive footage. Easy setup as coaxial cables and a computer station are not required. Low maintenance. So guys, this was our video about IP based network CCTV camera. So guys, this was our today's video. Please don't forget to give me the feedback about this video. Like, share and comment this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel Media Mind and Technology by Karamat Ali Ansari. Thanks again for watching this video.